If you watched forming letters numbers 1 through 6, you're ready for forming letters number 7, sunny Q. Drop down from the sky a little bit and find your sunny spot. Go up and back, circle around, tap to close it, trace down, and then make your tail go backwards. That is a sunny Q. Let's do that again. Make a sunny C, close it off, trace down, and tail back. When writing on paper, you'll want to start just below that dotted line. Go up and backwards, tap the dotted line, nice circular shape, tap the bottom line, close off your circle, trace down below the line, and make a backwards tail for the sunny Q. Again, just below the dotted line, go up and back, circle around, close it off, trace back down, and make a tail. Let's do one more. Start just below the dotted line, up and back tap, nice circle tap, close your circle off, trace down the side of that O, below the line with a nice tail in the back. Now make sure all of your letters are sitting on the line down here. And make sure all your letters also touch the top line right here. Practice making the letters Q and then come back for forming letters number 8, which will be the sunny S.